So this is Skandagiri trek. The time right now is 5:50 a.m. So we have just started. For last 2 days it was actually raining a lot. So the weather is good today. So once we reach the top, it's going to be a beautiful weather. Let's see if we can see clouds and things like that. So we have a girl who is 5-year-old kid. Stuti. Hey Stuti. Illodili. So that's my mom who is also joining the trek. So this is how the route looks. And this is one of the most beautiful place around for a day trip. There are 2 slots that are available. One is one starts at around 4 a.m. where you can reach the hilltop before sunrises, and the second one starts at 6 a.m. So right now we are in a 6 a.m. slot. So one more thing to consider while coming to this trek is you don't get any breakfast or something at this place. So it's better that you carry your own breakfast, but make sure you don't carry any plastic or something like that. हाँ काल हिंदे तो को तड़ी तारा जेट कति नजर बारले सुचिता So if you're not already visited this place, then please watch till the end, because I'm going to show you completely how exactly this trek is and how beautiful this place is. So the trek what we are doing right now, this is on Jan 8th. So this place is roughly around 60 to 70 kilometers from Bangalore. It's actually close to the international airport. So they are given the marking indicating the direction for doing the trek. So for you to come from Bangalore to Skandagiri, it might take roughly around 1 hour 30 minutes for you to reach this destination. ಕಾಲ್ ಜಾರ್ತ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಗ
ಹೆಂಗೈತಮ್ಮ
ಹಿಂಗೈತೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನೀರು ಸೋರ್ಗೈತೆ. This is a wonderful place and wonderful experience.
Hey Sujita. Oi.
Sujit, bye.
Tuti.
हाँ So that's my mom doing the trek in sari. So this is a sari trek for her. She is more than 60, but still young at heart. Selfie. Tan, ta, da. Hey Suchit, bidu Suchi. Three. And that's my brother. Make your own creation. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks right now, which is still really dark. The time right now is around 6:15. So a small break for sitting. So you can see how it looks. You can also hear the sound of peacock. So the time right now is 6:25. It's still dark. So this is how it is looking at this time. This is actually a medium trek. I'm sure you will enjoy this once you come for this trek. So her name is Stuti. She is 5 years and she loves trekking. Stuti? Ready. So this is how the surrounding is looking right now at 6:30 a.m. So my mom is holding a stick so that she is comfortable in the trek. And this is her first trek actually. So Nandi Hills and this are actually close. So if you're coming from Bangalore, Nandi Hills comes before airport, and this is something that comes after airport. And if you're a nature lover, this is a great place for you to be over the weekend or early morning in the weekday or things like that. You can see how actually it looks. So from here it's not too foggy, but the moment we start climbing up, you'll see more fog. So you can see how it's looking. Let me be silent so that you can actually hear the birds chirping. So we have track lights also in issues. So you can see the view from this point. Right now I think we have covered around 30% of the trek. So now the time is around 6:40. So you can see there is decent light. You actually can feel a very cool breeze here. So most of the trek is something like this, where you see actually rocks and a pretty hard surface. But it's a single track, so you don't actually miss on the route. Kadilele. So you can see right now a pretty foggy place. Let me actually show you how it looks slightly from a top point. So this is the look, a beautiful weather. So this is Skandagiri Hills. So the time right now is 6:50. I think we are probably around 45% trek that we have covered. So this is the view right now. You could actually feel a heavy breeze.
ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಡಿ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ನಡಿ.
$60 and strong. She's enjoying the trek. So now you can actually see it's completely, the trek is on the stones. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you got to be a bit careful here. If this is slightly wet, then the tendency of slipping is more. So be really careful while walking on this trail. So you could see, this is the view. I think we have almost covered around 50% of the trek.
ಹಳೆ ಹಳೆ ನಂದೆ ನಡಿ ನಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಲಕತ್ತೇವ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತದ್ರ ಗಡಿ.
So time right now is 7:09. So this is the view right now. You can see how the weather is. Since it was raining for last 2 days, we are not able to see the clouds, or else like it will be the clouds will be just moving down, and it is going to be a really beautiful experience because last 3 days it was heavy rain, so we are not able to see those clouds. Only it's completely foggy, or else just before the sunrise, during the sunrise one can actually see the clouds which are just below us. So that's how it is, how the opposite mountain looks when the clouds are actually moving. Actually the fog is slightly clearing. So you can see the view.
Uncle, you video.
ಆದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಜಾಗ? ಹೆಂಗೈತಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗ?
ಮಗ ಸೂಪರ್
ಸೂಪರ್ ಅದ.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೀರಿ
ಕೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಟಾಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಕೌಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬಿಸಿಲಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ.
So this is the magnificent view what we can see, but if it's going to be a sunny morning, then it will be a lot more beautiful.